begging as he crashed. Jack Miller then forced his way through. 2 in 1 at this point, down at turn 12. Alex Rins made his move on Jorge Martin and moved up into third, but immediate retaliation from Jorge Martin, who was able to get back through into third place. Pecco Bagnaia was struggling at this point as well, behind Alex Rins, and soon his teammate would pass him. Brad Binder went through on Mir bit back. Joran Zarco behind Brad Binder, unfortunately crashed out then at turn 1. The lead out front was now up to 2 seconds, and in the battle for the remaining places, Miller got through on Alex Rins. Later, Bagnaia would do the same. At this stage, it looked like the podium positions were all set. Jack Miller allowed Pecco Bagnaia to go through as he then tried to chase down Jorge Martin. It was a 1.6 second gap until this moment. A mistake from Martin seemingly through the first sector, and Bagnaia then closed right up onto his tail. Martin was given a long lap penalty, but Bagnaia went through anyway into P3 before Martin took that penalty. Martin then went on to take that, but finished behind Alex Rins. And there was drama further back as well, as you can see from the footage. Joan Mir, Jack Miller and Anaya Bashin. Checker flag came out, and it's another dominant display here. Almost a 5-second lead for Marquez, who crosses the line to take the King of COTA crown once more. Quartararo in charge though, he has one hand on the title. He could become the MotoGP World Champion of 2021 in 3 weeks' time when we visit Misano. Thanks for joining us here this weekend. Great to be back in Austin, and we hope to be back again next year as well. We'll see you in 3 weeks' time, and we'll see whether or not this man, Fabio Quartararo, can win the World Championship. See you then.